Timo the Word Scout sits outside his tent on a clear, quiet night. The sky above is filled with glowing stars. Some stars slowly shift across the sky. One bright star stays in the same place. Curiosity grows as the steady star stands out. The compass shows the same direction as the star. The star is known as the North Star or Polaris. The North Star always stays in the same direction. It helps guide travelers through the night. Seeing it brings a sense of calm and confidence. Timo learns that the North Star can help him find his way home.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss our next word adventure. See you in the next video.